You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare, there's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. I need you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say,
there goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now.
There goes my mind erasing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now.
I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean
Just to be with you and fix what I've broken.
Oh, 'cause I need you.
Faiz dan juga Nurrin so ayah mengucapkan selamat nanti baru dan selamat menjalani kehidupan yang baru, dan ayah dan bonda mengharap anda berdua bahagia sehingga ke jannah. Sekiranya ada berlaku sebarang ketidak kuasa dalam majlis ini, dan ayah mohon ampun dan maaf. Kepada sidang hadirin semua, alhamdulillah, terima kasih kerana datang meraihkan majlis kami pada hari ini. Diharap dengan kehadiran tuan-tuan dan tuan-puan semua dapat memeriahkan lagi majlis pada hari ini. Dan saya bagi pihak keluarga memohon ampun dan maaf sekiranya terdapat kekurangan di dalam majlis ini. Sepanjang perjalanan majlis ini saya mohon ampun dan maaf. So saya harap pada hari ini kita doakan kepada kedua pemanggilan anda Faiz dan Nurrin Ramadan agar bahagia hidup kita. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
If I could be honest, here in this moment, I've been so nervous to stand here with you. They're all here for us, and I feel their aura. But just for a moment, I'll pretend it's just you. Yes, they can hear us, but they don't understand. I have said all of my vows behind the curtain. I know they see us, but they don't stand a chance. I have kissed those lips 1,000 times before this. Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife, I belong to you. And I will wait to hear you say, as a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you. Could be honest, here at the altar, I refuse to grow older unless it's with you. I fell in love and made you a promise, though I'd never noticed how much it meant to you. They can hear us, but they misunderstand. There is more behind these words that we have spoken. I know they see us, but only at a glance. Only you know the man that I am beyond the surface.
This king says to ourselves, don't have to share with no one else. Don't keep your secrets to yourself. You got to give it up to me. I'm screaming mercy, mercy, please. Just like they say in the song, till the dawn. Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on.
And when you leave me all alone, I'm like a stray without a home. I'm like a dog without a bone. I just want you for my home. I got to have you, babe. Oh, there's love in your eyes that pulls me closer.
It's so subtle, I'm in trouble, but I'd rather be in trouble with you. It's Marvin Gaye and get it on. Ooh, baby, I got that healing that you want, yeah.
Like they say in the songs, on till the dawn. Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on.
Let's Marvin